Hey, hello again. Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. What you see behind me here is Qwest 818 RLS model, which is a compact boat. It's 8 foot wide, it's 18 foot long, fits up to 8 people, and it's a great boat for your day on the lake this summer. Why don't you come on aboard and take a look? One thing you'll notice here, it has the nice graphite exterior with the firecracker orange, so a really attractive outside package. It does carry over to the inside where the seats match up outside to the inside, so it makes a really, really complete looking boat. As we go a little bit further back, one of the things you'll see here is the nice helm area here. So we do have a Clarion Bluetooth speaker, charging ports for your phones, and a control for any Suzuki outboard motor from 9.9 horsepower up to a 70 horsepower. So this boat has lots of motor options that you can pick from. They're all very affordable, well-made motors that will keep you on the lake and keep you running for years to come. As we go a little bit further back, you notice we do have a dual captain seat set up here. So if it is just two of you on a regular basis, this is a really nice setup for that, because these seats do move, and when you're parked, it's a nice place to have a conversation, be able to talk to one another. So if you're looking at a group, maybe 4 or 6 people, this could be a really great size for you. It's also super easy to trailer these. So everything you see here, really complete package, really nice boat. But there's some things we include to make sure your boating experience is a good one. So we're going to include all the safety equipment for this boat to make sure you're safe and legal. We're going to add covers for this boat to make sure your boat can stay nice and clean for you. We're going to deliver this anywhere in the state of Ohio for you at no charge. We're going to go out on the lake with you, give you a half hour, 40-minute lesson to make sure you feel safe and comfortable. Especially if you're a new boater, we want you to feel safe, comfortable, and ready to have fun with your new purchase. We're also going to handle all titling and registration items in-house, so you're not going to have to do anything other than drive the boat off once the trailer gets there and have a really good time. If you think this boat's the right one for you, give me a call, 419-368-5951, or check us out on our website, www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.